of all, well done for surviving the last half term in lockdown. You have done brilliantly and we're really proud of you. It's been so good to see all the wonderful activities that you've been doing at home with your families, and we're really glad to see you safe and well. Over half term, you need to have lots of fun and relax. So I'm going to set you a fun challenge, hopefully, and that is the Great Lockdown Bake-Off. I would like you to create something for me in the kitchen that represents something you've enjoyed about your time in lockdown. So it may be a dessert or pudding, or it might be a savoury dish. But I want you to think really carefully, what have you really enjoyed doing? Have you enjoyed Joe Wicks maybe? Have you enjoyed baking? Have you enjoyed doing some art? Have you enjoyed doing maths or phonics? Have you enjoyed a particular book or story that might inspire your creation? Or maybe some time outdoors in the garden or on walks. Maybe it could be related to springtime. So can you create a showstopper for me, showing me something that you've really loved about lockdown? I can't wait to see them, enjoy eating them, and send us your photos or videos. Take care and happy half term, everybody. Bye-bye.